Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to use voice box to clone your own voice, to dictate and to create content directly using your own voice cloned by this particular tool. So this tool is a completely free to use tool that you can clone your voice. You can generate speeches across the TTS engine. You can dictate into any app and talk to agents in voices you own. Okay, you can generate your own voice directly with this particular tool. So this tool is none other than the voice box. You can access it by coming to voicebox.com, and in fact it doesn't even require you to sign up before you can be able to use it. So once you come to voicebox.sh, you will be brought in over here. You can check it around and see the different things that it has and what it can do. So many things. You can even generate a complete conversations of what you call the story using this voice box. So let's say you are going to download it because it's a locally available software. So you can come down here to click on download, and then you can see it is available for macOS, Intel and Apple Silicon chip, and it's available for Windows as well, 64 bits, and then for Linux as well. So depending on your operating system, you can just go ahead and download the version that is best for you. But by default, once you click on download, it is going to recognize the operating system and it's going to go ahead and start downloading for you. In my own case, I have just downloaded mine and I've installed it on my system, and you can see it in here, voice box. You can see it in here. So once we click to start the application, this is what you will be welcomed with. Okay, so you have two options to create a voice. Okay, so you can just go ahead, click on create a voice. You can clone from an upload or from a recording or from system audio, depending on your choice. To start recording, you can create up to 30 seconds of recording, and then you can use it to generate a transcript, and from there you're able to clone that particular voice. So let's say we start with the first option, which is recording your voice using this, and then we can just go ahead and click on start recording. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is just a test of the voice box application that is completely free to try and free to generate text to speech and even clone your own voice that you can use. And the best part of this is that it doesn't even require you to sign up or create an account for you to start using it. Just go ahead and download it, install it on your system. Now right now you can see I have just recorded myself. I'm going to play it to just have a preview of what I have just recorded. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is just a test of the, if you're not okay with what you have, you can always go ahead and record again, and it's going to transcribe what you have said throughout the video, which if there is a mistake, you can as well go ahead and edit it directly. All right, and as you can see, the transcript have been generated. Here I'm walking back to my team. No, this is wrong. So the hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the surface of the water sports. I'm going to give you a quick look to use a clean tight, and I think it's just bringing something different, but let me see how we can record again. Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is just a test of the voice box that will enable us to record different kind of audio and even transcribe it into text, very completely free. And you can even clone our voices directly using this particular tool, and it's completely free of charge. Yeah, and I can see this is now the best. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Very clear. So we're going to use this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a profile. So let's say we call it Dr. Rasheed, and then you can give a description if you want, and personality if you want, and then the language, of course we're going to keep it at English. And then the default engine, you can use anyone, but I prefer to use Quantity X. You can just go ahead and click on save to create the profile. So, and as you can see right now, the profile had just been created. So all we need is to start creating our voice. Let me select this and then go ahead and say something. Okay, so let's say I have this. Hello and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm going to use this as my voice. The language is this. The model, I'm going to keep it at Quantity X. Okay, and 380ts, and then no specific effect, and I'm going to go ahead and say generate this speech. Well, let's just give this some seconds to see what this is going to generate for us. All right, so you can see the recording has been done of the text that we have. So let's have a look at it.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.
I think this is very perfect. You can hear
Hello
it.
and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like
This is fantastic. So if you want, you can be able to download this. If you're interested in downloading, for example, you can come over to the top here with these three dots. You can play the video, you can export the video, you can export the package, apply some effects, or regenerate this if you don't want this, and then you can delete if you are not okay with what you have created. So let's say I'm going to just export the audio, and you can see it's an audio file. I have just specified where I want it to be saved, and then I'm just going to hit on download, and this is now downloaded my audio that I have just created. So I'm going to do the second method, which is going to involve me using a recorded audio. Right, so the second method is create a clone from audio, but this time around, instead of recording, I'm going to upload. Okay, so I'm coming to upload and then choose a file, maximum of 30 seconds. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to hit on OK. So you have the option to transcribe this file as well. Give it some seconds and let's see how the transcription is going to come up. And you can see it's been transcribed peacefully and it's very, very correct. So we can go ahead, give it another paragraph file. So this one I can say Dr. Rasheed real, for example, and then we can give it a description, personality, language, and the engine. I keep it at default, and then we're going to go ahead and say create a profile. Now with this, I'm going to add another text. So okay, I'm going to import a new voice. So I'm going to create the new one using this voice of Dr. Rasheed's real, and I've inserted this text. Language, I'm going to keep it English, the model Quen 3 TTS, and then I'm going to keep everything at default, and I'm going to say generate to this, and let's see what kind of effect or what kind of voice we're going to generate. All right, and as you can see, it's just been generated. Let's play to have a preview of what has been generated. Hello and welcome to my channel. Please remember to hit the like and the notification buttons to keep enjoying videos like this. This is perfect. So let me show you one more feature the voice box has that is very, very interesting. You can see it down here. It's called the stories button. You can create stories, you can add new story, and then you can give a name, for example. And then you can give the description of the post speaker. All right, then you can be able to write some text. Hello, have you done the homework? And I'm going to just generate this, and quickly this is going to add this to a timeline, which I can create series of text on this, and then it's going to serve most likely like a podcast that you can always be using. So this is for the first speaker. You can add another speaker. For example, you can use the other guy, and then you can add in the text that you want. All right, so you can add from another speaker by coming here. Right, so you can see, yeah, it's literally done, and I suffered a lot to do it. So let's select the speaker, and we say this time around to Rasheed, the other one. So we can just go ahead and generate this. So given this some seconds, we'll just add this to the next timeline, which you can continuously be adding. And at the end of it all, you can come over here and export your own story in the form of a podcast. Okay, so you can see over here, and you have the option to carry this and put it somewhere and maybe bring it down to just make it very nice. So let's see the flow of the information. Hello, have you done the homework?
Yeah, it's literally done and I suffered a lot with.
This is okay, so you can export it by coming over here, and then you have other small features.
Literally done and I suffered a lot.
You can have other things like you can check out your voices and then do some things and then see how many generations you have, languages, channels. You can do that as well. And then you have other effects that you can add directly. You can add new presets and so on. So this is basically it about the voice box voice generator or voice cloning application that's completely free to use and share with your friends. Please go ahead, try it and experience it, and report your experience in the chat box or the comment section of this video. Thank you and see you around.